Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Paulina and we're Boston team located in Massachusetts. Today we're presenting our BauTeam kitchen and we are excited to announce that we have one more showroom open in Lynnfield. So if you're local, please come by and check out in person our newest displays. Today we're in Lexington, Massachusetts, showing you this beautiful kitchen in a newly renovated home. When the clients came in, they wanted to build their new home. But during the design phase, they decided to actually just renovate their home and create new spaces within. Before the renovation, this kitchen looked very, very different. It was a traditional kitchen and the layout was sort of wrapping the room and having a lot of angles. And there's also was walls separating a formal living area with the kitchen. So as part of our design process, we come in for a site measure visit, and then we take all the measurements of the space and evaluate what we can improve. At that moment, we actually saw what we can do and how we can make this space open, flowing better, and more cohesive. The clients were really open with our thought process and it actually went with it. So in the process of renovation, this wall was taken down and it gave us space to create a beautiful linear flow of this modern kitchen, and then also introduce island that there wasn't present in previously. The space here has all new appliances. We switched from gas range to Miele induction cooktop that is clean looking and very efficient. We have built in this area the hood that you don't even see, and it's very quiet, so it's really built in beautifully. All of the cabinetry are in our beautiful white high gloss finish and accented with the lighting along the channel and also along the upper cabinets. The island over here, as I mentioned previously, was a feature of this kitchen, and the clients really wanted to get the functionality, seating to feed the entire family, and then having another little accent with wine fridge, which everything you can see here. While we were working on this kitchen design, the clients invited Audrey Interiors to work on the rest of the house. They wanted to have modern look, and Audrey and her team were able to fuse together traditional aesthetics of the house with the modern look. Here you see this beautiful quartzite stone that was suggested by Audrey, and the colors are really connected with the living room space and making it really cohesive. Also, this beautiful modern light fixture creates almost similar lines and mimics the veins in the stone, which really ties in well. In many kitchens, the sink is located by the window. However, in this kitchen, we couldn't accommodate this, and instead, we just placed it in the same wall with the cooktop, creating this very elongated line. The tall units on the other side of the kitchen consist of beautiful pantry with pull-outs and then freezer and fridge columns. So when the family gets their groceries, they can place everything in that area, fill up the pantry, and when they're ready to cook, they can bring everything to the island or this prep cooking area, and that's where the magic starts. Since we were able to take off this wall separating kitchen and then formal living room, now we have more space to play with. The area of the living room now transformed into the dining area designed by Audrey Interiors, and it really works well with our cabinetry. The client's now able to utilize their space to maximum, where before, of course, the space was broken up. And another feature that I want to mention, the clients wanted to add additional appliances, and one of these appliances is our under-counter wine fridge that is really nicely serves the dining area or the living area on the other side of this room. In this space, we created a really dramatic island that serves many purposes. With Audrey Interior's team help, we designed this island with storage on both front and then the back. We have seating to accommodate for 4 people comfortably, and then the back side is nice entertainment area. In this kitchen, we featured 2 white ovens from Mila. Mila called this color brilliant white, and it matches really beautiful with the rest of the white color of our cabinetry. We have here 30-inch convection oven and also speed oven. Both are really great on daily use. If you want to learn more about speed oven, we have one of the videos that explains the difference between speed oven and microwave. On the other wall, we have Liebherr refrigeration system consisting of 18-inch freezer column and 24-inch refrigeration column. Then next to it in the corner is staying tall pantry that we called 4i, which stands for 4 interior pullouts. So it's very convenient. When you open, you can reach and see all of what you have. This wraps up our tour of this amazing kitchen. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video, subscribe, and we'll be back with more. Thank you. Bye.